Yeah, it will be interesting if you guys are both physically and mentally present here. It is like change happens. The only question is whether we are ready for it or not. So, you guys are ready for it?
Yes.
For change. Okay, let's do it. Let me start with the questions. What would you do if you are not afraid?
Everything.
Come on, Meghana.
Do everything I can.
Nikita.
That's it.
The simple yet powerful idea is it at the heart of this book. Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson in 1988. And this book is like amusing as well as interesting, which carries four characters. Four characters are like two mice are there, two little people are there. Mice, namely their Snipe and Scurry. The little people, namely like one hen and hawk. So first they used to live in a maze in search of a cheese. So let me explain what is the meaning of maze. Maze is where we look for what we want to have in our life. Cheese is a metaphor. Cheese is a metaphor for what we are looking to have in our life. It could be a nice job. It could be the lovely relationship. It could be the money. It could be the profession, health, education. This is called cheese. Base is a path or a life. So this is all summary of this book.
So good.
I hope you guys won't relate this. I need to use this word to explain how this criteria follows. Like Spencer, this is maze. Maze is a path or a life. This is a maze. Maze is a path or a life, and here is a cheese, for which all four characters are chasing towards to have the cheese. So two characters are, here is Snipe. And here is a hen. And here is hawk. And they are in maze looking for a cheese. They were chasing from here to here. Initial stage, they find the cheese. They become comfortable. After becoming comfortable, after a couple of days, the cheese disappear, and each of them react differently. What they did, this cheese disappeared. Okay, let me ask the questions. What would you do if cheese disappears from you? Can you follow? Like, what is cheese? What is maze? Maze is the path or a life. Cheese is a metaphor for like what you want, desire. Like what you want in your life. It could be the lovely relationship or a job or any business or a health. So they achieve in initial state they achieve the cheese, but after a couple of days that cheese disappear, and they start reacting in a different way. So my question is, what you would do if the cheese disappear from you?
For another cheese.
Meghananda.
I will be sad and meaningless.
Okay, what they did, this Snipe and Scurry, they quickly learned and adopted to move on in search of new opportunities. And this fellow, he resists change and he refuses to move out of this comfort zone. And At first, he was feared to move on. Later on, he learned to adopt, and he moved forward to have in search of new opportunities. This hen later on learned and adopted to move on, and but this fellow manipulated him not to move. Wait for a while that cheese disappear. Whoever had disappeared the cheese, they will replace it. But he can't convince her that her later on left him and moved on in search of new opportunities. But later on he got that opportunities and he became a success. So what Spencer Johnson recommended, he more emphasizes on like the power of change. Like we can't, power of change is unavoidable, right? We can't avoid, like recently our university doing the new exam pattern. Everybody surprised what to do, what not to do. We have to respond, how to adopt, how to manage this. So Dikti, what you did to adopt that changes?
I accepted it and I followed it as it is.
Like
I was sad, but still, okay, fine, accepted. Acceptance.
Then later on next stage, the Spencer Johnson given the focus on fear versus courage. Fear is the thing. See, we can relate here. He had fear to come out of his comfort zone to achieve new opportunities. Then Spencer Johnson have emphasized on fear versus courage. He says this fear is the thing which stops us to move forward. Courage encourages us to have new opportunities and move forward. Like her left his fear and he moved on in search of new opportunities. Later on he says that comfort zone is not good enough. Comfort zone is danger. So when we are comfort, we feel everything is proper. We don't need to change. We don't need to come out of the comfort zone. But this fellow and this Snipe and Curry, they thought that this comfort zone don't long last forever. So we need to accept the reality and we need to move forward in search of new cheese. But they were still searching. But what this fellow came out of his comfort zone and got new cheese. New cheese means whatever he desired. So next, he said that adaptability is the key to success. So he says that, like Dikti said that I adopted and went forward to accept the change. So Spencer Johnson said that adaptability is the key to success. Like we are adopting here, northern people adopting the climates of southern states, right? And the food and the culture we are adopting here in search of new cheese. So we are leaving our old cheese to in search of new cheese. And at last he said that we should go off our past. If we are keep thinking and if we are keep holding that past, and which is not letting us to explore the new opportunities, you should keep past as a past, live in present, enjoy present, and think about future. Don't go back and think about past. So these are 5 criteria Spencer Johnson has explained this in this theory. So what I learned from this, like if I learned from this, like success comes to those who are ready for the change. So like I want to ask the questions to you guys, like what is change?
Coming out from your comfort zone.
For you, that is the thing.
Change basically means movement from act to potency.
Like after reading this book, what I realized, why should not I apply this story in my personal life? So I was thinking, like my current relationship is going, it's like old cheese. My current relationship is like old cheese. So I need suggestion or recommendation from you guys. What should I do? Should I leave the cheese and go for new relationship or should I change my old behavior into the new behavior with same person? Please come on, volunteers.
be with your old cheese also and start connecting with new cheese also. So you will.
Mandal.
Take new cheese.
Nikita, what should I do? Like I should change my old behavior, go with same person in like new behavior, or I should change the cheese, go for new cheese.
I think if you are sure about you want that cheese, I think it's better to like change your like behavior and the way of like achieving it. And if you are like confused whether like if you are confused that like confused in itself that like whether I have to go for the old or new one, it's better to move on. It will be good.
Like what I like here, I like that letting go of the old cheese, we should change our old behavior and we should change our behavior with same person. Whatever we did bad deed to that cheese, to achieve that new cheese, we don't need to achieve new cheese. We should renovate the cheese which we have already. So, and what I like, to be honest, while reading the book, I thought, okay, after completion of this book, when I will go back to home, definitely I will explain or narrate this story to my family, and I will like to ask that which character you want to be. So I can't go back to my home. You guys are my family. So which character you want to be, Alia? In like Ha, Snake, Scary, M or Ha? Ha. Why Ha?
That he overcome his comfort zone, right? Yeah, he breaks through to achieve his dream and all.
Kapya, which character will you choose?
Hoyos, because he's overcoming his fear.
Which one?
Hoyos, because he's overcoming his fear. Right?
Ah.
It's not just suddenly it doesn't happen for some people. You have to work and shed away your fears and other things, and then you chase for the new goal.
So overall, what I learned, like the quicker you let go of your old cheese, sooner you will find the new cheese. Like, this is what I learned from. So thank you for listening to this patiently.